Hello everyone, welcome back to Vanakkam Techie. In this video, we will going to see how to declare and how to initialize the variable, what is short declaration, what is the scope of variables, how to declare constants, what is exported variables, and lot more details. Watch this video till end without skipping. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. To explain about variables and constants, I have created one file, that is scratchpad.go file. Inside the scratchpad.go file, I have added package main, and then I have added one function, that is main function. There are three ways we can declare a variable and assign a values. One is where variable name data type equal to value. Where is the keyword here. Another way is where variable name equal to value. Here I did not mention any data type, but Go will decide its data type based on the value we are setting into the variable. The third way is variable name colon equal to value. This is a short declaration in Golang. So here we have not used where keyword. Also we have not mentioned any data type here. So Go automatically determined data type based on the value we are assigning. So if we have multiple variable declaration with the same data type, then we can declare a variable like this, where variable name 1 comma variable name 2 equal to value 1 comma value 2. The value 1 will be assigned to the variable name 1, and then value 2 will be assigned to variable name 2. Let's check it out one by one with practical programs. As per the first way variable declaration, I have declared one variable and assigned the values 10. What is the first way syntax? Where variable name data type equal to value. The same like that I have declared and assigned the value 10. Also I have added one log statement here. Okay, as per the second way, I have declared another one variable with the name of v2 and assigned some values, that is Balakrishnan, but here I did not mention any data type. So as per the third way, I did not use any where keyword, also I did not mention any data type, but I have assigned values. But here I have used colon equal to. This is short declaration as per the golang. So in the fourth way, I have declared two variables v4 and v5 equal to 20 and 30. Both are same integer data type. So I have declared v4 and v5 in the same line and assigned the values. So value 20 will be assigned to variable v4 and value 30 will be assigned to variable v5. Now let's try to execute this program and see the output. To run this program, we have to execute that command go run that file name scratchpad.go. Yeah. So output of variable declaration with the data type. That is the first way. Output is 10. Okay. The second, as per the second way, output of variable declaration without data type. That is Balakrishnan. What is the data type it's showing? That is string. Because based on the value we are assigning into the variable, Golang will decide that variable's data type. That's what it's showing string. As per the third way, data type of 3.14 is float 64. Here also same. So here in this third way we did not mention any data type. Also we have not used where keyword, right? But it's automatically it's deciding its data type based on the value we are assigning. What value we have assigned? That value is 3.14. As per the fourth way, we have declared two variables with the same data type. So what I said, the first value will be assigned to variable v4 and the second value will be assigned to variable v5. Okay, same like that. v4 value is 20 and v5 value is 30. That's all about variable declaration. Now we will going to see about default value of each data type. Even if you are not assigning any values, Golang will automatically initialize the variable with the default value based on the data type. For example, here I have declared a variable I as integer. I have added some log statement to display the value of I. Same like that, I have declared a variable with a string, and then I have declared a variable with a pointer, declared a variable with boolean. Also I have added logs to know the value of each variable that I have declared here. So now let's run this program and see what is the output. To run this program, again we have to execute the command go run that file name scratchpad.go. Yeah, it's showing the default value of integer is 0, default value of string is empty, and default value of pointer string is nil. But for now, just keep it in your mind that default value of pointer is nil. Then the default value of boolean is false, and default value of struct is x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So why it's showing vertex value x is 0 and y is 0? Because here I have declared struct x property as integer and y property as again integer. So what is the default value of integer data type? That is 0. That's what it's showing. X value is 0 and y value is 0. And default value of struct pointer is nil. So whatever the pointer variable we are declaring, that default value is nil. So far we have seen how we can declare variables in different ways and what is the default value of each data type, and also I will explain struct and pointer in the upcoming videos. So now we can check how to declare constant. So to declare constant, we have to use the keyword const variable name and data type equal to that value. In this main function I have added one log statement to print the values of that constant. Now let's try to run this program and then see what's the output. It's showing that pi value is 3.14. Now let me try to change the value. I have reassigned the value 1234 to pi. Now let me try to execute that program. Yeah, it's saying that cannot assign to pi. That means already we have assigned some values to our constant variable, so we can't change the values. So that's what it's showing here. Now let me explain you about that scope of that variables. There are two scopes. One is private and another one is public. For example, I'm declaring a variable I and assigning a value to 10, and then I have added one log statement here and displaying the value of I, and then I'm calling one function show value. Inside the show value I am using that variable I, which is declared in the main function. Now let me execute the program. It's saying that undefined I. That means I have declared the I inside the main function. So the scope of I is only within the function, not outside the function. Now I'm moving this variable declaration outside of the function. This is package level variable declaration. So we can access this variable within that packages. Now I am declaring the variable outside of that function. So where I int equal to 10. Okay, now I am executing that program. So it's saying that value in the main function 10, value in the show value function is also 10. It's saying that okay, this value also 10, and that variable value which is inside the show value function, that also 10. So if we are declaring a variable in the package level, we can access that variable within the packages. This is private scope. Now let me explain you about public scope. Now I have created one package greetings. Inside that I have created one greetings.go file. Then I have defined this package name as greetings. Okay, greetings. Now I'm importing that package. Then I am printing that value g dot greetings. Okay, I imported that package greetings with the alias name g. With that alias name g, I am calling that public variable, which is defined inside that package greetings.go. Now let me execute the program. Yeah, value in main function welcome. Welcome is the value we have defined inside the greetings.go. This is the value. I hope you people understand all details about variables and constant and its scopes, how many ways we can declare variables, what is the default values of variables, and all the details. I hope that information I have shared is useful to you. Thanks for watching it. If you have any comments, please give your comments in the comment section. Thank you.